Welcome to Dublin, Ireland, a city brimming with history, vibrant culture, and enchanting landmarks that draw visitors from around the world. Whether you're here for the historic sights, the lively pubs, or the stunning scenery, Dublin has something for everyone. Let's start with one of the city's most famous sites, Trinity College. Founded in 1592, it's Ireland's oldest university and home to the world-famous Book of Kells. This illuminated manuscript, dating back to 800 AD, is known for its breathtaking artwork. After you've marveled at the Book of Kells, stroll through the long room library, where walls are lined with rare manuscripts and antique books. Next, head to Dublin Castle. This iconic landmark has been a cornerstone of Irish history since it was built in the 13th century. With its medieval towers, the opulent state apartments, and a rich collection of artifacts, Dublin Castle offers a window into Ireland's storied past. No visit to Dublin is complete without seeing St. Patrick's Cathedral. Built in honor of Ireland's patron saint, this impressive Gothic cathedral dates back to the 12th century. It's not only the largest cathedral in Ireland, but also a symbol of Irish heritage. Explore the stunning interiors, the detailed stained glass windows, and the surrounding gardens. If you're ready for a change of pace, make your way to the Temple Bar District. Known for its cobbled streets, colorful buildings, and lively atmosphere, this area is filled with pubs, art galleries, and local shops. At night, it becomes a vibrant social hub where you can experience live traditional Irish music and enjoy the warm Irish hospitality. Beer lovers won't want to miss the Guinness Storehouse, the home of Ireland's most famous stout. Explore 7 floors of exhibits, learning about the brewing process, and enjoy a pint at the Gravity Bar, which offers panoramic views over Dublin. It's a must-visit for anyone curious about the iconic Irish drink. For those seeking nature within the city, Phoenix Park is an oasis of green. This is one of Europe's largest urban parks and is home to the Dublin Zoo and a herd of wild deer. Take a relaxing walk or bike ride, and enjoy the scenery and peace away from the bustling city. To get a sense of Ireland's fight for independence, visit Kilmainham Gaol. This former prison held many leaders of Irish rebellions over the centuries. Today, it's a museum that tells the story of Ireland's struggle for freedom, with powerful exhibits and guided tours. One of Dublin's most picturesque spots is the Ha'penny Bridge. Built in 1816, this cast-iron bridge spans the River Liffey and is a popular spot for photos. Named after the toll that once cost half a penny to cross, it's a symbol of Dublin's charm. Dublin is a city that celebrates its past while embracing the present, offering visitors a mix of history, culture, and unforgettable experiences. So pack your bags and come explore the magic of Dublin, Ireland.